So I've just installed a Aqua 1 protein skimmer on the side of this sump, this aquarium, and I really believe these are the best value protein skimmer on the market. The bubble consistency is absolutely phenomenal considering these skimmers are so cheap. The amount of money you pay for them is unbelievable value. So you hook them onto the side, and then basically what happens is the water goes through the inside, then it channels its way up. I'll just turn it off so you can see it. 1 second. So if I turn it off, you'll see all the bubbles go to the surface, and then you'll see the water comes in at the bottom and spins up a tube on the inside, then spins around the outside and goes back down again. So it's a reverse Venturi protein skimmer, vortex, and the design is very simple. So the water comes in, it spins all the way up and then spins all the way back down again and escapes from the bottom out into the aquarium. So therefore it's extremely large contact time for the bubbles to bond any organics that are in the water, and basically the bubbles propel their way up with any organics that they've actually bonded, and then, so I'll just turn that back on again. So basically it's like a whirlpool that comes up, and then if you restrict the outlet, so there's a little valve here, if I turn that valve, if I shut that valve a little bit, then the water can't escape as quickly and the level will rise in the neck of the skimmer. Now the aim is to ensure that the bubbles are white in the skimmer, and if the bubbles start to form yellows and browns and blacks, you want the yellows, browns and blacks to make their way out into this collection cup. Once it starts collecting, you can just pull this whole lid off, and when you're cleaning the lid, the most important thing is to clean the spout on the inside. It's also important to connect onto here a piece of air line and put it to a Coke bottle or something to collect any absorbate to stop this cap from overflowing if that was the situation. Now in a sump like this, it's perfect. You can run the skimmer all the time. If you do have an aquarium, and I would recommend running the skimmer on a timer at night time and not during the day. The reason why I would do that is that a skimmer run straight on the aquarium itself will create microbubbles, and I hate microbubbles. So therefore, if you're going to dose products like NPX that require a protein skimmer, you can dose the product in the morning, at night time, and turn the skimmer on, and that 12-hour or 8-hour period it'll be absolutely fine. Then during the daytime, or just if you're viewing the aquarium, you can ensure the skimmer's off so you can enjoy crystal clear water. So setting up this skimmer was very easy. All I did was plug the pump into it, make sure the air line was on the pump, then I just turned it on. It filled itself up with water and it's flowing back in through those sponges, so make sure those sponges stay clean so you don't so it doesn't protrude the water going out of the skimmer and cause this to overflow. And you've got yourself one of the best value protein skimmers. I'd challenge anyone to make one at the price that Aqua 1 sell them. So I think they're just fabulous value. As I said, there's probably better skimmers on the market, but for the money you're paying, I don't think anything comes close. And if this skimmer isn't performing enough for what you need, just get another one. They're so cheap. And away you go.